Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to unbox India's most safest shockproof water geyser from the brand Havells. The model is Adonia spin model. The capacity of this, as I turn on the geyser, you can see here it shows an blue color light. So blue color light means it is indicating that the geyser is in on condition and it is in heated up, and you can see here geyser, and I'm keeping a tester. You can see here there is no current in the tester, which indicates that 100% water and current is isolated and PRCB plug is working 100%. Best features why I buy this Havells geyser is it has an color changing LED indicator. If it is heating, it will show us blue color. After getting heated up, it will show red color. And why I told this is the India's most safest shockproof water geyser is it comes with an integrated shockproof plug, which is nothing but RCCB plug or PRCB plug, which is nothing but portable residual current circuit breaker plug. The next features I buy this Havells water geyser is it has 2 years complete warranty, 4 years element warranty, 7 years tank warranty. And the features of this, you can see the physical view of this Havells geyser. The best features why I buy this is this comes the features of color changing LED indicator, and the element has ferroglass coating which increases the life of the material, and it comes with heavy duty glass line heating element. And coming to the energy saving, the type of insulating material is nothing but PUF material, which is nothing but polyethylene foam material, such a way that the cooling retains, I mean the cool as well as the hot retains within the given temperature, and it can withstand maximum 0.8 MPa, which is nothing but mega pascals of pressure, such a way that we can install it for 10 floors or 20 floors also. So coming to the electrodes, this come with an heavy duty protective anode. And coming to the steel enclosure, it has the feature of a single coated single welded steel tank. And the next feature, it comes with water tubes which has swill flow technology. Swill flow means it rotates circularly, how it lies like an swill flow, such a way that the heating is better. And the next safety features, safety is it has multifunctional safety valve. It has two thermal cutouts. One is manual cutout through our temperature variation, and forced thermal cutout. It has high precision thermal control. So due to all this feature, this is a one of an premium geyser from the brand Havells. Model is Adonia Spin. So I am using this for the past 1 year. The performance is very good, and quality wise and design wise also it's very good. Now let us try to see how the geyser is after installation. You can see here. Hi everyone, this is how the Havells geyser is there after installation. You can see here I have less amount of ceiling gap. In the ceiling gap, only this type of storage type and cube type geysers are suitable. That's why I preferred this, and this is also a 5-star rated geyser which consumes only 2 units per hour. And I'm going to turn on the geyser. As soon as I turn on the geyser, you can see here it shows an blue color light. So blue color light means it is indicating that the geyser is in on condition and it is in heated up. And you can see here a plug is there at the center, which is connected to the power source, that is called as a PRCD plug, which is called portable residual current breaker plug. So the purpose of this plug is it can restrict the flow of current and water, which is nothing but enables protects the human from electrical shock. That's why I told this camera is the India's most safest shockproof water geyser. So we will demonstrate you how this geyser is providing the shockproof. Why? Because it doesn't mix water and current. That's why this is one of the most safest water geyser in this range. Now let us try to check. Here you can see that the water is fully heated for the set temperature in the knob, and red color indicates that water is fully heated. And you can see here, if your color is red, you can fix that this geyser is fully water is heated, and you can see the safety features. So now I'm going to show the geyser is in. So if the geyser is properly working, so generally if you're not using an PRCD plug, so within the water itself current will come and there is a chance of risk to die. So I'm going to check whether this plug is working well or not. So now I'm discharging the water from the geyser and I'm keeping an tester. You can see here there's no current in the tester, which indicates that 100% water and current is isolated and PRCB plug is working 100%, where this is the best safest feature, and this is the performance of Havells PRCB plug. So that's why this geyser is the one of the best geyser.